7:15 in the evening, just getting in. I still got a little bit of sun. The goal's to be in bed by 9:30. It's 7:15. I haven't done anything today. I came home for lunch, but I wasn't able to do any of my 10-minute hustle. So I'm see what I could get done today. Even if it's a quick one, but we got to keep on making what? The P word, progress. So I went in, changed my shirt. Didn't want to get any paint on my black shirt. I'm not going to take off my shirt today because it's chilly. It's pretty dang cold. Like I said, now it's about 7, probably 30. But there's still enough light where I think I could pull it off. So what I wanted to do is remember how this one I told you I needed another coat, the downspouts? I'm going to hit the downspouts. This still looks like, I'm telling you, on the screen it looks like there's a patch here, but when you look at it, it doesn't. I'm probably still going to give it another coat because of that reason. And if I got enough time, I'm going to hit this downspout as well because it definitely needs it. So that's going to be quick. I may not be able to do this one, but for sure, I'll hit that one. Got to get a few things ready. The paint. And the brush. One more thing. Old school throwback ladder. And now we begin. Alright, that one's done. Let's see if we got enough time to do the other one. Let's go. I forgot that I technically could turn on the lights to make it a little easier. Also, if you made it this far into the video, give me a little bit of support. Let me know you're still here. Hit that like button. And in the comments, bust the number 7 because it's 7:30 when I started this, but I don't want you to put in 7:30. Just put 7, make it easy on you. Put 7. That way I know that you're kicking it with me here at 7 in the evening, busting a little paint job just to finish the job and make that progress. Little by little, every day gets it done. Let's go. So we got it done. This is the second one. I think it's okay. I mean, it's already like light, and I'm working on this. You think, okay, yeah, the light's on, but you're gonna miss spots. So I went real light just to make sure, 1, I didn't glob it, and 2, missing spots. I'd rather miss spots than have like glob spots. Well, really light with this one because there was literally very little light. So I just made sure I got just one more coat in to make sure I could get rid of any of the undercoat that was still there. That one definitely looked good. I could still see quite a bit of light when that was there. So may need another coat, like I said, but we got it done. Remember, thing is, little bits every single day gets you that big P word, progress. That's gonna do it for today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh, don't forget, if you made it to this part of the video, hit the like button. Let me know you're kicking it with me as we're doing some late night painting today. Also, don't forget, like I said, comment late night painting if you've ever painted late in the day or in the dark, or turned on the focals, turned on the lights just to get the job done and get that progress going. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna put all this away.